This is our tradition every birthday. This is how you cook some rice. Cover with banana leaves. Butong mo diha plus inday. Hala, ang lechon. Ay, butike. Cake for mom because it's mom's birthday as well. It's my birthday today also. Okay, so these are the total meat of chicken we have. So these are 12 pieces of chickens. This one. So these are the broiler chickens that are raised at the farmhouse. This is our fried chicken. 1 bucket of fried chicken. Good morning! So good morning guys. Today is our birthday. My mom's birthday and me. My eyes. And last night we cook on preparing some of the food and I slept around 2 a.m. So right now I'm still sleepy. You greet mommy? Say it again. I love you. Love you too. So this is our current situation. So we slept here. These are the rest of the group. And then some of them are awake already. And I slept here at the hammock. Sophia was there earlier and then she transferred here. I love you. I love you. So this is how you cook some rice. Boil some water first. So after they put all of the rice and then dried, we do like this. Cover with banana leaves because we don't have cover on top. So that's how we do it. And then take all the woods so that it won't be fired just like charcoal or something. So that it won't burn under. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is our tradition every birthday. And also my mom have some. So this is from chicken blood. Tita is doing a flower, money flower. Ta-da! Hi, Michi! Michi! Hi! Michi! Let go the good one, no? Hi, Piang!
Sophia.
Say hi.
Siya man siya magigupait na ng bulak.
Say hi. Hi. You are a bad mood. Hi. You look like a wak-wak in the Bisaya. Ay, ghost.
Ilapaw ning kuan.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Oh, ini nag-vlog pa ko.
Papa. Bibi.
Ko ba na purma?
Bu 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 baba baba.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
What are you holding?
Flower.
No, that's not flowers. That's
Money flower.
yes.
Mami, nahimo naman ang money flower.
Look at that. Flower bouquet of money. Butong mo diha plus inday.
Ayo lang po.
Aw.
Ayo kapag kuskus day ba ginuta. Ako sa ibutang mo. Ako sa ibutang pud mo mga hobya pud mo.
Dugangan pa man ano?
Tegay ko kanang. Wala na magpuhit. Yet eh.
Hala, ang lechon. Crispy na, dili lagi.
Crispy na.
Luto na wa pa. Pwede man luslikan ang kuan para mauagas ang tubig. Ang tubig may makawa sa crispy. This is, I guess, a few hours already. 3 hours or 2 hours.
Meeting ta, ang meeting ko.
Ay, butike. Sama na, dong.
Sila nang lahig.
Kita ko na. Sabaw rin.
Ang kainom na ko eh. Ngayon kong Sophia kanina.
Gamay raman to, ya. Lechon. Crispy dili.
Crispy.
Crispy dili.
Kuya. Ngayon na diya magmabasa ka.
Yummy. Yummy. Lechon. This is our botong. So this is our Bisayang manok.
Lahi na lang ulit ko. Sabaw. Aw, isa kami isa ba?
So this is the food that I prepared for today. So we have some cake for mom because it's mom's birthday as well. And then my cake because it's my birthday today also. And some fried chicken, bihon, which is there's more, but we can't fit all of it here. And then we have some Bisayang manok, fried chicken, some drinks, chicken calderetas. Then we have some lechon, and then some spaghetti, then some sampaina. So that's it.
Oh, din anti dayon call. Ha? Di anti dayon. Dol pag anti. Dina. Love you. Wala message call. Unsa man na ay? Nay message ba na? Happy birthday na call sige.
Yes, good. Kiss ba?
Kiss po dayon.
Happy birthday. Lahi man ang iyang kisan.
Kiss ba? Tiga ba?
Lagi mo daw. Mura mo. Lapay mo ko kesa.
Nay message call to. Wala lupigan mo kag papa oy ni mama. Message call din mo. Message.
Sawa ko.
Message.
Birthday man lang daw.
Sige call, message.
Nalangga mo na rin.
Sige.
Yang message nanti, message nanti.
Pagbilan kumain.
Paminaw.
This money bouquet and this one is Sophia's gift, but it's not second box. Also, this one is from Sophia.
Sophia money.
Sophia's money.
Kita ada yang nama.
Yes, Sophia! Hoy! Oh! Pia, ali, Pia! Ikaw, tiga-taga ni ako, Gudrian. Picture ka with flower. Why are you so putting today?
Katubang ni aning grasya ng among katubangan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dungan yun. Dungan mo.
So the boys is drinking over there. So that's the after birthday chaos. Oh my God, so messy.
Mommy got the gift for you.
Give me.
I will open for you.
You will open for me.
Yes.
And by the way, this is Sophia's gift as well. This is the folding bed.
Mommy, here you go.
Here you go. Baby, ako open. And by the way, Sophia picked the scent as well for this perfume.
I will spray on for you, Mommy.
Yes. Not my face.
I want the corn smell too.
Smells good?
Yes.
You like the smell?
Yes.
Yeah, because you pick it. Thank you so much for the gift.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Thank you also for the folding bed.
You're welcome.
And also thank you for the flowers. Even though you didn't give it to me that time, yesterday, the birthday. Thank you for the flowers, okay? If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!